how to create a REPL in Replit. So the first thing that you need to do is to sign into your Replit account. Then here, if you go into apps, those are basically going to be REPLs. And all you need to do in order to create one is to click on create. It's going to take us to the home screen here where you can explain what your app is going to be about. So they just changed the name from REPLs to apps here, as you can see. And now you will describe what you are trying to build. You also have the option of choosing what you're trying to build, whether that be an web app, mobile app, data app, 3D game, automations, or you can also start from scratch. And that is basically how you create REPL. You put in a command, for example, create me a website that calculates Euro to USD conversion, something like that. Then you have the option of enabling fast mode, and you can just click on start and the agent is gonna do everything for you. I hope this helps and answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.